Good morning, class. This is your lecture for today on axis deviation or axis quadrant deviation determination. In order to determine axis quadrants, the thing you need to concentrate on is when you're reading your 12-lead EKG strip is to look at the QRS in leads 1 as well as the leads in the QRS in AVF. The reason why we're looking at those two particular leads is because they are perpendicular to each other, meaning they're right across from each other. Being that lead 1 is accessing right arm to left arm, that tells us what the right and left half of the axis circle is doing. If you look at the circle, it's broken up into 4 quadrants. And then with AVF, of course, we know that is from the foot, so it's looking from the top or the bottom half of the axis circuit where it's connecting, which breaks it up into 4 different quadrants. So we're concentrating only on lead 1 and lead AVF when we're determining axis quadrant determination in the following EKG strips that I had given you. Going too fast. We're looking at leads 1 and AVF. That is the only 2 leads we're looking at. We're seeing what is the QRS doing. So it's Q, R, and then S. So it's going in the upward deflection. This one is going up. And we're looking at this one where it's Q, R, S. So it's going up again. So if both leads are going up, we would say this one is a normal axis deviation. This one is normal. Now let's look at it at a 12-lead EKG strip. So I'm going to jump to strip 6. Now a lot of y'all are saying, how do we know where lead 1 starts, where the next lead ends and starts? This is all of lead 1 printout up to the hash line. This is 1. AVR takes up from the hash line to the next hash line. Same thing with AVF. It reads from this hash line all the way to this hash line. So we're trying to determine what is the QRS doing. Well, in this one it's going up, because you'll take Q, R, S. And in this one it's going up also, because you would take Q, R, S. So we would say this is normal. Also, just happens to be both of them were normal that I picked. Wasn't intentional, it just happened that way. So this one would be a normal axis deviation. So if we're looking at a whole 12-lead EKG strip, all we have to really worry about is lead 1 and AVF. And lead 1, like I said, starts from the beginning of the 6-second strip or the 12-lead strip all the way to the hash. So that's the whole reading of lead 1. Same thing with AVF. We go from hash to hash. This is all the AVF's reading. If you have any questions about today's lecture, just let me know. But this is just to do the homework for today. And then on Monday, we'll go through all of chapter 13. I hope this helps you out with today's lesson. And y'all have a nice weekend. And I'll see y'all on Monday. Bye.